If you want to examine simple cuboidal lining epithelium using a section of a thyroid gland, all you have to do is focus on one of these thyroid follicles. Okay? So again, it is best to use 400x magnification. So currently we are still on 200x. So let's zoom in further. So here you can see that we have your thyroid follicles here, 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 and here. So here are your spaces or your lumen of your thyroid follicular gland. So they are secreting something in the lumen here. That means these are your cuboidal cells again with the round nuclei. And this is the apical portion or surface of your cuboidal cells. And that means your basement membrane is somewhere here. And here on the other side is another layer of simple cuboidal lining epithelium, wherein again, since this is the lumen, this will be the apical surface of your cells, and their basement membrane is also somewhere here.